Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share two interesting recipes that your kids will love. We're going to make pizza sandwiches and also these delicious aloo sandwiches. So let's get started and check them out. For the pizza sandwich, first I'm going to make the filling. For this I've taken 1 cup of cooked corn kernels. Next add half bell pepper chopped fine. So you can use other vegetables. Next I've taken half green capsicum finely chopped. Next add finely chopped onion. It's 1 medium onion finely chopped. Next I'm going to season it by adding 1.5 teaspoons of Italian herbs. So if you don't have Italian herbs, you can also use oregano. 1.5 teaspoons of chilli flakes. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon pepper. Now that we have all the ingredients that we need, I'm just going to mix everything. So I'm just going to add a handful of mozzarella cheese. Just mix that in. So our filling for the pizza sandwich is done. I'm going to keep this aside. For this, first I'm going to apply some softened unsalted butter. You can also use salted butter. Apply the butter on all the slices. Next, apply some pizza sauce on all the slices. Spread it nicely. So once you've applied the pizza sauce, take a little of the filling and place it on one slice. Now top it off with a little bit of grated mozzarella cheese. Now close the sandwich with the other slice. Next, take a nice white pan, add a little butter. Make sure to keep the flame on low and place the sandwich in the pan. Apply a little bit of the pizza sauce on top of the sandwich. Now add a little bit of the grated mozzarella cheese, and I'm just going to season it with a little Italian herbs or seasoning and a little bit of chilli flakes. Close the pan and cook till all the cheese melts. Wow, that pizza sandwich looks incredibly delicious. You can see the cheese just melted. Oh my goodness, that's absolutely wonderful. Makes for a perfect evening snack. So if you guys are craving for some nice pizzas, maybe you can quickly try this at home. It's very simple and easy to make. So first we're going to make the spicy aloo masala. For this, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Just add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 2 medium-sized onions chopped, 1-inch piece of ginger finely chopped, 3 green chilies chopped. Once the onions are transparent, I'm going to add all the spice powders, starting with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chaat masala powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix everything. Saute it for about a minute. I've boiled about 5 medium-sized potatoes. I've removed the skin and cut it into pieces. Just add those. So make sure the potatoes are nice and soft. So once you've mixed the potatoes with the onions, you can just mash the potatoes a bit. We don't want such large pieces, so I'm just going to mash it using a potato masher. You can also use a heavy ladle. So once you've mashed the potatoes, add half cup of cooked peas. So you can also add some grated carrot. I'm also adding some chopped coriander leaves. Add the juice of 1 small lemon. Mix everything. So you can see the masalas come together so beautifully. It's a very quick and easy sandwich to make. So the masala is done. Turn off the stove and cool it completely. So now we're going to assemble the sandwich. I've taken 2 slices of sandwich bread. You can use any bread of your choice. To 1 slice of the bread, add the freshly made mint and coriander chutney. Spread some tomato ketchup onto the other slice. Place a slice of cheese on the mint chutney. So take enough aloo masala. Make sure you spread it out evenly on all sides. So I've taken 1 cheese cube and I'm going to grate it fully. You can use mozzarella cheese or processed cheese, any cheese of your choice. You can also place a cheese slice if you wish. Now close the sandwich. We're going to grill this. Just gently press it. So I'm going to grill the sandwiches. I've taken a nice grill pan. So if you have a sandwich maker, you can also use that. A sandwich grill, the electric one, you can also use that. Place the sandwich. Just going to toast it on both sides. Apply some butter on top before you flip it over to the other side. So you can also use ghee if you like. So gently flip it over. Keep the flame on medium. So you can see the layers. There's a layer of cheese and then the aloo masala and the mint chutney, and again you can see the cheese at the bottom. Now this is actually extremely delicious. You can serve it nice and hot. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.